Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you turn on or turn off timer on your Snapchat for your snaps or photos. So guys, if you want to turn on timer for your snaps or your photos on your Snapchat, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this, you have to simply open your Snapchat. So I simply open your Snapchat, and from here you can see the very little plus button on the Snapchat. So I simply tap on this and now scroll it below and find timer from here. So as here it is, tap on this, and from here you can see this, the timer is added to your screen. So as you can easily turn on or turn off timer from here as well. So as if you tap on this button, you can easily select the duration for your timer as well. So as here you can see this, you can easily change the duration for your timer from here as well. So as in this way you can set timer for your snaps or photos on your Snapchat. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.